Hello my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. I know that I am. So you guys, oh my goodness, today is such an exciting day. I received my swap from my partner for the Grant ATC exchange for the May swap, which was birds and butterflies, you guys. And this was sent over to me by JustCraftingOverHere. She's the one that sent it over, you guys. Her name is Krystal. And oh my goodness, you guys, I have so much fun watching her channel, and she does the most beautiful, amazing like paper projects. You guys have to go and check it out. She also does mixed media and collages. Super pretty work, you guys. Definitely go and show her some YouTube love. Now this is the second time that I am doing this video. Unfortunately, when the first one that I did, I didn't really like the quality of how everything was showing, and this is such a beautiful, amazing project, you guys, that I wanted to catch it in the best lighting and the best, quality possible, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, and that's what I'm doing now, obviously. I'm recording this video over, you guys. So she did send it to me in a Ziploc bag, and she did bubble wrap her package, and she sent it to me in a Ziploc bag, and she also sent it to me in this really pretty teal bag as well. I'm gonna put this down and take this off. Now you guys, she sent me a card. I'm gonna go ahead and take the card out first, and this is a card that she made herself, and it says, "Don't be afraid to dream big." It's got a beautiful silver doily in the background, you guys, and she's got this really pretty journaling card that matches the paper perfectly, and this really pretty embellishments here in the bottom as well. And she is so awesome, you guys. She actually sent me a package of the magical Mixery store Butterfly Bliss, and I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and bring it into better focus so that you guys can see the amazingness. And oh my goodness, you guys, here it is. And I've been watching her haul these sequin mixes from this shop, Magical Mixery store, and the mixes are so pretty, so beautiful. I cannot wait to get my hands on some, and lucky for me, she sent me a sample pack that I can go ahead and play with. And this is the same one that she used on my project, you guys, and wait till you see it. It is like the prettiest touch. And hopefully, disclaimer real quick, I got a brand new mic, you guys, so hopefully I sound human. Let me know if the quality of the audio sounds good in the comments down below. I would really appreciate your feedback on that. I have the most terrible luck with microphones and lighting for the most part. But yes, you guys, this is like so pretty. There's butterflies in here. We have different size of sequins. We have different types of sequins. We have flat sequins, cup sequins, like so many cute little things. We have flowers in there. There's glitter sequins. There's purple, pink, what looks like pearl kind of color. We have like light blue. Like this is just so pretty, you guys, and hopefully you guys can see and appreciate all of the beautiful bling and glitter and just awesomeness that is in this sequin pack. So definitely go and check out the store, you guys. If you want more information about the Magical Mixery store, Krystal's all over this. Go and check out her channel. You guys are going to see a lot of different hauls that she does for them, and just different projects that she creates using their samples and their mixes. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out so that I can focus on the card and the rest of the project. Alright, my friends, so this is a beautiful handmade card that she did, and she wrote a lovely little message on the inside. And I want to just tell you, Krystal, this has been so fun. I've enjoyed getting to know you better through your art, through your videos, through your crafts, and you're just like, you're so bubbly, so happy all the time. I love listening to your videos and watching you create, and all your shares are awesome. You guys definitely go and show her some YouTube love. This girl, she's going places. Her projects are so amazing. You definitely want to be a part of it. And so basically she's thanking me for the swap, and thank you for being a part of it. I'm so happy and appreciative that you joined and participated, and I was so excited to be swapping with you this month. And don't worry, everything came out perfect, okay? Everything came out perfect, and I'm so excited, and I cannot wait for future projects and future collabs and future stuff like that. So thank you so much, Krystal. So you guys, I'm gonna reveal her projects, and oh my goodness, I'm gonna slowly reveal her projects. And look, do you see the butterflies? Do you see the butterflies? Oh my goodness, isn't that awesome? Yes, that is awesome sauce, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Now I did take the card out of the pocket because again I did this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the card to the side, you guys, so that we can discuss her pocket. And oh my goodness, so Krystal had asked me when I first started doing these swaps if she can use the design in her Cricut, and of course, you know, yes, go right ahead, because at the end of the day, you know, you're able to adjust and just customize your tops and stuff like that. And look what a magnificent job she did with the measurements, you know, there are for the holder itself. And oh my goodness, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. And so what she did, and I'm sure that she'll explain that a little bit more, but what she did is that she used, I guess, a butterfly, like connected butterflies as a topper, and it came out marvelous, like honestly. And then this is the sequin mix, the butterfly bliss. I know it's probably not gonna focus as well, but you guys just saw that, and it is super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so that I can show you guys the finer details of her like her beautiful pocket, you guys. Give me 1 second. Here we are, you guys. So as you guys can see, like all the beautiful elements that are in that butterfly bliss sequence mix, like absolutely gorgeous and stunning. Look how that shines, and all of the holographicness of it all is just so beautiful. It definitely takes the butterflies to a whole new level. Now here we have the butterflies are layered, so we have the paper that's on the inside, and she basically covered the inside as well with this beautiful paper that you guys can see here in the background. And she used some 3D embellishments here. She added a really pretty flower or rose, and here in the bottom as well with some foliage, and we have some butterflies, and I think this is called a crane, I'm not sure, but you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. And we have little hearts, and just so pretty, and it sparkles like, oh my goodness, I could just move this thing around all day. It's so pretty, you guys. And then for the back, you guys can see that it follows the same pattern. So this is awesome, you guys. I cannot wait to start playing with my Cricut, because Krystal has inspired me now to go ahead and play with this and see what other designs and stuff like that I can come up with as well. This is super cool. And this is what I love about this exchange, just the way that everybody thinks a little bit different. We all craft a little bit different, and like it's just so fun to be able to learn from each other. It's so fun to learn from each other, you guys, and just like enjoy each other's crafting style. Like absolutely love it. And that's one of the most funnest things for me with this exchange, is the fact that, you know, everybody crafts so uniquely, and I get to collect a little piece of that, a little timestamp, if you will, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then look at her card, you guys. Oh my goodness. So this is dimensional, if you guys can see, and it is so pretty. We have the little fairy, and she's got like a little butterfly. She added my initial there. My name is Carmen, you guys. And we have a silver doily in the back to match the beautifully handmade card. We have birds and we have butterflies. It's so pretty. And then on the back of her ATC, she sent me her information, and I'm gonna cover up her address just in case. And it's JustCraftingOverHere, and her name is Krystal, you guys. And again, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom it in so you guys can see. And this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside of the pocket so that you guys can see. And Krystal, your pocket was perfect. It was not tight at all. Okay, I was able to get my hands in there, and put the card out. And that's basically what we need to be able to do, is just access the card. And this is what it looks like inside of the pocket. Like, can you guys say beautiful? Like, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Krystal, you did a fabulous, fabulous job. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out again. And it's just so pretty. And she tucked in some foliage in the back. She's got some purple ribbon going down the side here. And I absolutely love this. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is going to be a beautiful addition to my ATC collection. And I want to thank you so much for participating and being a part of Legrand's ATC exchange, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, you guys are the ones that make this Legrand's ATC exchange. Otherwise, it would just be an ordinary ATC exchange, you guys. So you guys make it amazing. You guys make it grand. And I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Definitely go ahead and show my friend Krystal some love and some support. She's absolutely like amazing, super talented, you guys. And remember, you guys can still sign up. We invite you to. We want you to be a part of Legrand's ATC exchange. Please open up the description area. Click on the video link. You still have time. It's open till the 7th of May. At that point in time, I will be adding all of the partners on my community page, you guys. So you still have time to go ahead and check it out and be a part of it. For this month, we're doing Moonlight and Fireflies, and it's going to be a panoramic view, which this is what this is, you guys. This is what I'm calling this style of ATCs, is panoramic view. So definitely go ahead and check it out. I encourage you to join, you guys. It's open to all types of crafters, all styles of crafting, you guys. All you have to do is just follow the theme, and the rest is up to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I so greatly appreciate you all. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below, because I love to hear what you guys are thinking. Leave this video a big old thumbs up and show Krystal what an amazing job she did, because she did phenomenal. And thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to Krystal's channel, because you don't want to miss out. And I will check you guys out on the next one. Bye. Thanks, Krystal.